Hello, it's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. How are you doing? So today I've got a little bit of a different video. I know it's regularly reviews and unboxing and thoughts on tech, but this is more about customer service because I think it's a really important subject. But it is customer service around tech products, so that's the link here. So what I'm going to talk about today is some customer service around these. Now, if you subscribe to the channel, and if you don't, why don't you? Please do subscribe. But you will recognise these headphones from a previous video when I compared my various set of headphones and the ones I was going to keep and which ones I was going to use more. And these are my headphones from Gear Geek. So as you will know from that video, I got these, although not these exact ones, that's the point of this video, but I bought some of these. It was a good few months ago. Time, you know, is flying by at the minute. There's strange things going on in the world, but it was a few months ago for argument's sake. And I said, you know, they were going to be my new go-to headphones of choice. And they were. However, they stopped working. And whilst, you know, people, you know, perhaps, I don't know, perhaps rightly so, will go, well, a new set of headphones shouldn't break that quickly. And maybe there is something in that. But that's not the point of this particular video. The point here is, yes, I had it where one of the earphones stopped charging, and then although it'd be completely pointless, I agree with what I'm about to say, it is pointless, but the one which was still working wouldn't connect via Bluetooth anymore either. So I had one completely non-working, one which turned on but wouldn't connect up to Bluetooth. So they were just no use whatsoever. They just simply stopped working, unfortunately. So yes, I could come on here and slate the product, but because I deal with so much tech and so many different products, I know sometimes things break, and I know people say, well, you shouldn't just accept that, but I just accept that sometimes there are problems. What's more important to me is people putting it right, and the reason I'm making this video about these headphones from Gear Geek is because absolutely fair play to them for their customer service and their customer support was brilliant. Yes, my product broke and it was disappointing, but all I had to do, I got in contact with them, I give them the details of the problem, and they were like, yep, sure, no problem, send them back to us, we'll send you a new pair. And it was that easy, and sure enough I did. They sent me also a free post label to send it back as well. So it didn't cost me anything at all to return it. And again, rightly so, of course, but they don't have to do that. I know companies that will make you pay for the postage back, and they didn't. They sent me the free label to send it back. So all I had to do was drop it in the post, and off it went. And within about, I think it was 3 or 4 days, my new ones, my replacements turned up. And I'm not 100% on this because I've literally not had chance to look at what my original ones were, but I think these are a newer model, because I think based on this little version number here, the 5.0, I think these are a newer version than the ones which went faulty on me as well. So they've given me what I assume is their most recent version of them as well, and they're just that little bit better, I assume. Again, I don't have facts and figures to back that up, but it is a newer model. So they've replaced my older faulty ones with a brand new pair of their latest model. So I thought, yes, I have had a problem with the product, but I just wanted to say in my opinion, that's a really good example of good customer service. You know, I as many of you will gather watching this video, working in the IT and tech industry, that might be the core of what we do as a service, but fundamentally we are also a customer service business. And whenever I see really good customer service, I feel the need to reach out to people and tell them that was really good, because I know how hard it can be, but also I know that just giving good customer service like goes such a long way, you know, because of the service. Yes, I was disappointed with the product, but if I was buying, looking for a new product, whatever that might be, and it just so happened that product was available from Gear Geek, I would still have no hesitation about buying from them, because I know if it turned out to be the product was faulty in some way, or it just didn't work properly, I know the customer service now is there. So for that reason, it's like a safety net. So a really good example of good customer service. And think about it, they only did a couple of really simple stuff. They just offered me, they gave me an immediate response, big tick. They offered me free postage to send it back, big tick. And they got me very quickly my replacement item. And it was a better version than what I had before for the inconvenience. I mean, that is brilliant. And it was quick, it was easy, it was all done and dusted in the period of just a few days. So top marks to Gear Geek for their customer service. And yeah, all round, that is a really good example of customer service. Something we should all strive for in whatever business you work in, whatever product you sell, whatever service you provide. Literally every single business is a customer service business. That's the bottom line, and that should be number one on your list. So it's certainly what we try to do, and I thought that was a good example. So I've rambled on long enough to sing the praises of my headphone provider. So if you've enjoyed the video today, please do smash the like button. It really helps grow our channel. I can't stress that enough. I'd really appreciate you doing that. Please do subscribe to the channel. We release new content all the time. Feel free to comment on the video if you've got any thoughts on these headphones, on Gear Geek, or you would just like to give me some examples of some other really good customer service that you've seen. Please feel free. I do read them and I do try and get back to everybody personally. And likewise, use the links below to connect with me on the likes of LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram. So I will see you on the next video. That's me, Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions. See you next time. Bye-bye.